Hey, other side of the table. The container right there. James, could you go move?
All right, this magic is about photos of my memories. I have Nate on the side. He's my assistant. Okay.
I gotta stand then.
Here I have, since I retired many years ago, all the different photos of my life. Traveling or all kinds of different photos. Okay. I'm gonna have Nate choose a photo and he's gonna look at it, show everybody, but I'm not gonna look at it. Don't show me. Okay? Take one. Okay, you got one?
What is it?
Show everybody. Don't show me. Okay, I'm gonna have 3 stacks over here.
Just one.
Okay, hopefully it. Okay. Oh, don't show me now.
I know exactly what
Okay,
it is.
come over here. Choose one of these stacks. Choose 1, 2, or 3. This one. Oh, nice picture of me. Okay. Put yours on top of this stack. Put your photo on top. Don't show me. Okay. I'm gonna put this stack on top, upside down, and I put this stack on top. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut this, or you can cut it in half.
Okay.
Just cut it in half. Okay. And then with these two, riffle shuffle it. Every other one, try riffle shuffle it. Every other
Like
one, just
casino kind.
yeah, casino kind.
Wait.
Every other one.
I gotta stand in front and step on your.
Okay.
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 And which casino you work at?
Every other one.
I don't know how to do that. Wait.
you work at? Let's go do it.
Cause it's all. I gotta get the right.
Different with photos.
Yeah, it's hard to.
Different ways to
Okay. Okay. Now,
Cause it's all concave.
yeah, we have the photos. We have photos facing up and facing down. See? Facing up
And facing,
and facing down. See? We're gonna spread out all the
And all
photos. Look.
around.
We're spreading out all the photos. We have it facing up, facing down. Okay?
Wax on, wax off.
Okay, here we go. Facing up, facing down. Let's see.
I like.
Oh. Okay. Let's see.
Allah.
Is this your photo?
Nope.
Oh, nope. Okay.
That's not him.
Oh, that's not him.
That's not the fishing one.
That's not him.
It's not him. Spread them all.
Spread 'em. Oh, the doggy.
Is this your photo?
Get out.
Ta-da! Okay, thank you.
That's him.
Now,
Hey. I did
I
that.
have some photos,
I think. Oh, you
more
still
of my
need-
memories. This one is in front of King Kamehameha Palace. And then I have with me on with the rising sun. See, this is at the top of the Hawaii, and you can see the beaches. See, this is in China, a cave, and this is
Japan.
also in China.
China.
See, I have here also the rising sun.
I like a
Watch.
lot.
1, 2, 3, and 4 with me on the mountain with the rising sun. Watch. See? Watch.
Oh.
You
Wow.
see this with the rising sun?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look.
Oi.
Me in China. Watch. On the mountain.
I know.
What? Oh.
Oh, also, Hawaii and China. Look.
Ah.
Wow.
And this one in China.
Wait, what is that? Oh wait. Oi. Made in China. No, just kidding. That's awesome, Kelvin. Wow.
Okay, I gotta
Very
do
funny.
another prediction. I'm gonna do another prediction. You see, I have all the different photos. I'm gonna make a prediction and it's in here. Okay. I'm gonna deal down my photos. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Oh, he stopped. He stopped over here. He could have stopped over here. Oh, I'm diving in Thailand.
Sorry.
Or he could have stopped over here. Me in front of a love.
In Thailand.
Hey, you know how you know?
The
But
beach.
he stopped over here. My prediction.
Allah.
A lot.
How did you
Okay.
do
Unreal.
And
I'm
then-
not paid either, you know. Oh wow.
My world travels. I just came back last week from the Grand
Yeah, you had
Circle.
some place, yeah.
Here I have pictures of water scenery or mountain scenery. This is in Norway, mountain. This is mountain. You see this Lake Moraine? This is in Nepal. See this? In China, water. What is this? Water, water, mountain. This is Everest Base Camp. This is China. This is Canada waterfall. And the last one, this is in Nepal, water scenery. Okay, Nate, anybody, all of you can all do this. But
Slacking
Nate's gonna
already.
do his own. All of you choose a picture of a mountain scenery. Nate gonna choose his.
Okay.
He can choose another mountain scenery. Okay, so Nate gonna choose one. Point to one. Nate.
You're not looking, huh?
No, I don't know.
You can see me in the camera.
Okay. But you guys all can choose another mountain scenery. Then you go,
Is that mountain or ocean?
which one?
Mountain. Oh, I
This
just
is
told you which
water.
one.
This is water. Water.
Next. Oh.
Water, water, water.
Oh. It has to be
Mountain,
like total,
water,
total
mountain,
mountain,
yeah,
right?
total
I'm sorry.
mountain scenery, okay.
I see mountain.
Okay, see,
Okay, so it's
they
wrong
double
anyway.
checking.
I was wrong. I was wrong anyway.
Okay,
I was wrong
choose
anyway.
a mountain scenery. You guys all can choose a mountain scenery too. Okay?
Okay.
Then you go left or right to a you go left or right to a watery scenery.
Okay.
You
Okay.
looking-
You can go left or right to a watery scenery.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, are we just choosing our own or am I?
Yeah, they can choose their own, and you
Aw.
choose your own.
Okay.
Okay? So you know where you are,
Mhm.
and they double checking. Okay. You can go up or down to a non-watery scenery.
Okay.
Up or down to a non-watery scenery. Okay? Then you go diagonal to a watery scenery. You go diagonal to a watery scenery. Then you go left or right to a non-watery scenery. Okay? You all got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nate, let's drop the curtain
Yeah.
and you landed on
Oh.
me on the mountain
That's the one.
with the sun shining.
Thank you.
Predictions.